we're back. We final day, final video, final like daily video anyway for this for what we've been doing on this driveway. This is literally just the sanding, the whacking, and then Alex put the lead work around the stink pipe that I broke. Did that, and then we went on to our project, which we finished off earlier in the year. Obviously the patio by the stream, video up here, post and rail and all those other bits, the natural pond as well. But the end of the video leads on to the barn conversion that Alex, Postmodern Construction, started off at the start of the year. Did a bit last year, and then I think he finished it off at the start of the year, and it's just because kind of as I transitioned working for him. So this is all carried out, managed and run, and the work carried out by Alex at Postmodern Construction. Lovely barn conversion. You're going to see a lot more work throughout the year and into next year. Obviously I deal with his landscaping, but I'm helping him out, just I'm his labourer basically. So it's no, it's good, it's really good. But yeah, so right at the end you see what Postmodern Construction generally does. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you like it, comment below if you like it. But yeah, end of the daily vlog. Did you enjoy it? Was it okay? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Let us know how your week's been. Let us know what you're doing in the week. How has it been too hot for you? You ready for winter? Ready for autumn? I'm ready for autumn, but not winter. But yeah. Customer's been away, so Alex has just come to mow the lawn, need a little bit of doing. Obviously we've still got to replace this bit here, all the brown soil with turf. Reason we couldn't do it at the time of the rest was because that pole was supposed to be going, still hasn't gone. So once that's gone, we'll be carrying on with the rest of the lawn here. So it's going to be into sort of autumn, winter time, well autumn, that we'll be doing that. Checking out the pond here. Natural pond, looks like it's really taken off. Lots of life in that, so yeah, that's looking good. Lots of life, natural life. This is kind of like a natural area, kind of like a wild area here, so that's doing what it's supposed to do. And then yeah, we've just got the Portland stone, which all of this sort of weeds has got to be trimmed back, and but yeah, patio looking good. Longer looking good, probably could do with a little bit of watering, but to be fair, in comparison to last summer, it's looking good. That's us pretty much done for the weekend, fitting a little bit of glass. I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second, and yeah, that's us done. How's your week been? End of the vlogs, end of the vlogs. Let us know if you want more vlogs. Let me know if I do your head in. Let me know if you want more time lapse, any more just progress.